Everyone, welcome to this second section. I know you remember the first one just in sauce and we're gonna fry, but these gonna be baked cornflakes chicken here, or chicken cornflakes or cornflakes chicken. So it's simple, still same sauce from our orange custard smoothie plus egg mixture. So we have the smoothie, the egg mixture, then everything, the spice, pepper, everything is in the egg mixture. So we have our chicken breast. You can make use of any chicken you want. You can make use of chicken drums, chicken wings, anyone. So we have our flour and we have our cornflakes. So this is gonna be the baked version of the first one, but we are gonna clothe it with some cornflakes. All right. So first you have your chicken in here. Then next to your egg. Then next to your cornflakes. Here. So make sure your hands are clean. Same thing for the next one. Then we'll get back to you, okay?